Welcome to the latest Milton Keynes Council COVID-19 update. The number of cases is currently 196 per 100,000 people in Milton Keynes. Last week, our number of cases has started to stabilise. However, the number of cases has now started to rise again. There are now more people in Milton Keynes Hospital with COVID-19 than during the national peak in the spring. This is very worrying. Winter is an extremely challenging period for our local NHS. As well as people with COVID-19, they are also treating increasing illnesses normal for this time of year. That is why it is vital that we need to get our COVID-19 rate down. Pressure on the NHS is a key factor in whether an area is placed into Tier 3 restrictions. The rise in our cases and the pressure on our NHS now means we are at an increased risk of entering Tier 3. I don't want that to happen. The impact on our economy and on local businesses would be great. It is now vital that we all take extra care and strictly follow all the guidance and preventative measures. This means taking extra care when you're out and about. Follow hands, face and space. Earlier in the year, it was difficult to get a COVID test. That is no longer the case. If you have any symptoms, however mild, get a test. Our regional drive-in centre is based here in Milton Keynes. It is open every day. Milton Keynes Council has arranged for a local testing centre in Bletchley, and a walk-through centre will soon be opening in the north of the city. You need to book an appointment through the national booking system before you go. If you're symptomatic or asked to isolate, then stay at home. If you're struggling financially, then help may be available, including a £500 isolation payment if you're on a low income and can't work from home. The good news is that this week we did see the first vaccine use. Our local hospital and staff have done an amazing job in getting this done. However, at the moment, only a small number of vulnerable people are getting the vaccine. It will be some time before it is available to the wider population. It's not a reason to reduce the preventative measures we are all taking. Our public health experts do not feel there is any single reason why our numbers are rising. The main way the virus is being transmitted is through general contact within our population. The biggest thing you can do to limit the spread is make space and distance from others. It is vital you do not mix with people from other households in a social situation as per the guidance. If you're an employer or business and there is an outbreak in your workplace, you should let us know straight away so that we can help. Stopping the spread of COVID-19 is everyone's responsibility. We do face a testing time in the coming weeks, but by pulling together, we can keep the rate down. Until next week, thank you and goodbye.